Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to on developer options in Vivo Y19. If you are using Vivo Y19 and you want to on or enable developer options, let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and you'll get the about phone section. Just select it, and here just scroll down, look for system information. Just tap on it, and here you will get the option of build number. You just have to look for this option in your phone, and after that you just have to tap on it for almost 7 times to enable developer option. So let's do this. Just tap on it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and after that you just have to enter your phone pin, and then you are now your developer options are enabled. Just go back, go to main settings. In main settings, look for system or system management option. Just tap on it, and here you will get your developer option. Just tap on it, and now you can easily use all the developer options of your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.